Welcome to our channel BBC Globe. Friends, do you know the remnants of another planet have been found inside Earth? These remnants are two continent-sized blobs, resembling massive stone spheres. Some scientists claim that they are actually the remains of an alien planet called Thea. Around 30 to 40 years ago, scientists studying earthquakes accidentally discovered these two enormous rock-like structures deep beneath Africa and the Pacific Ocean. These rocks were completely different from Earth's natural formations. The big question was, how did these massive stones end up near Earth's core? Geophysicist Qian Yuan from Caltech made a claim that these structures are indeed remnants of an alien planet. He even presented evidence to support this theory. Now, if someone makes such a bold claim with confidence, they usually have valid scientific evidence. But think about it, what kind of evidence could these geophysicists possibly show? The blobs they claim to be alien are located so deep near Earth's core that no human has ever reached them, and likely never will. Moreover, the planet Thea, with which these blobs are being associated, is a hypothetical planet believed to have collided with Earth 4.5 billion years ago and was destroyed in the process. This means that scientists neither have physical samples of these blobs nor of Thea itself. So, can we really believe in this research? Also, how can such massive blobs exist inside Earth without disrupting its rotation? And how did scientists even detect their existence in the first place? So, first things first, how did scientists even discover these massive blobs near Earth's core? Well, it all began with an interesting story. In the 1960s, in just 3 years, around 8 volcanoes erupted in the Hawaiian Islands. Normally, frequent eruptions occur where two tectonic plates collide at tectonic plate boundaries. This happens because when plates push against each other, pressure and temperature increase, causing magma to erupt as a volcano. But if you look at Hawaii, it is far from the nearest tectonic plate boundary. Logically, the first question that arises is, why are Mauna Loa and Kilauea, two of the world's most active volcanic hotspots, located here? To solve this mystery, scientists mapped all active volcanic regions worldwide. They discovered that almost all these hotspots could be traced back to two locations, one beneath Africa and the other beneath the Pacific Ocean. To explain the origin of these blobs, in 1994, geophysicists U.R. Christensen and A.W. Hoffman from the Max Planck Institute proposed a theory. They suggested that around 200 million years ago, when the supercontinent Pangaea broke apart, parts of Earth's oceanic crust sank into the mantle due to its higher density. Over time, extreme pressure and heat transformed these materials, forming iron peroxide, which accumulated at the core mantle boundary. These accumulations eventually formed the massive blobs we see today. Because they stored large amounts of dense material for a long time, they occasionally released excess material through Earth's crust, creating volcanic hotspots. With this discovery, scientists reached 3 key conclusions. Most volcanic hotspots are located above Africa and the Pacific Ocean. Beneath these hotspots, 2 massive blobs exist. These blobs are responsible for the formation of hotspots. However, one question remained unanswered. Why did these blobs specifically form beneath Africa and the Pacific, and not elsewhere?